Today we're diving into something for the kitchen. My wife and I love to cook. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, we're in the kitchen all day. And we've had the same cookware set since our wedding. That's over 10 years ago. And after years of heavy use, it's starting to show its age. And I've got a very special guest today. My wife is here to unbox this cooking set. Over the last few months, we have been looking for replacements for all of our cookware. We're looking for high quality materials and materials that aren't made with really weird chemicals like those forever chemicals.
So we asked our blog readers over at Lilies and Loafers.
Make sure you go check it out.
And a lot of them recommended Material Kitchen. A huge thank you to Material Kitchen for sending over their coated pan and 8-inch knife to try out.
There is no expectation that we need to post or say anything, so this is purely our honest first impression. So do you want to get these out of the box and see what they look like?
Yeah.
Now I did open the box. You didn't see that. You didn't see it.
Yeah.
I opened it up because I wanted to make sure it arrived safely. Maybe I should do this. So opening up the box, this is actually.
First of all, I can say that I appreciate that they packed it this way.
It's packed so nicely. Like, look at this. A lot of packing materials in here. This is, okay. So this is the pan. Comes in its own box. I'll take out the boxes first.
All right.
The knife. Now, this pan is going to replace two of our pans, one of our pans.
One. We had to get rid of it. Now the other one is on its last leg.
And I use that pan almost every day to make eggs, whether it's for us or the kids.
He uses it every day.
Every day. Ooh, hold on, we gotta show this. 'Cause this is what I love. This is like, what would you call this? This feels premium.
Yes, it's premium.
It
feels so like nice. This is, experience
Definitely
in itself.
is an experience.
Okay.
And the pan that we got came in this, I'm spoiling it.
Right, and it has this.
Look at this.
What is this kind?
This is like linen?
Yeah, linen. Ooh, look at this color.
This is nice.
Oh my God, I love this.
So this is nice. Wow. Ooh.
It's heavy.
That feels good.
It's like substantial.
Look at that on the back too, the branding. This is like, I feel like I'm on the Food Network.
Yes.
Like in Friends, Monica's like, I'm an omelet station. Are there any other pamphlets in there or anything?
I don't.
Some instructions came with it for the pan. So let's run through all the product specs of the pan before we get to the knife. The pan we got, again, is in that mineral finish. I really like this color.
Yes.
I'm starting to think about, for the blog, cooking things and like actually using the pan in the photos because I really love this finish and then the contrast.
Yes.
So the fry pan is built with a 5-ply copper core. It's layered with aluminum and stainless steel on the outside. Plus it has a stainless steel alloy finish that is free of lead, cadmium, and those PFOAS. Those really bad forever chemicals that we don't want in our, when we're cooking. Mm-hmm. They've packed in copper, which is known for heating super evenly and fast, but without all the fuss of a traditional copper pan. This finish is beautiful. It's this non-stick coating, and good news, this works on induction cooktops as well. We don't have an induction cooktop, but I know that's a really big thing. Material Kitchen states that this coating lasts 37 times longer than traditional cookware. Our traditional standard non-stick coating cookware only lasts like 2 to 3 years. Ours lasted 10.
Yeah. I mean, like, who's really actually replacing their pans in the recommended replacement time? But, if you're going to push it to the edge, better have a good quality one.
Exactly. This handle is hollow, so it's not going to absorb heat and hold the heat, which is important for metal pans. For the size of the pan, it's 10.5 inches diameter. It's allegedly dishwasher safe, which I will throw everything in the dishwasher. If I could throw myself in the dishwasher, I would. So knowing that it's dishwasher safe is a plus. I will probably be washing it by hand because I'm just gonna be neurotic like that. Also, in the packaging, get some other key details. It's safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a medium oil for optimal performance. What's a medium oil? We'll have to look that up. Like olive
Yeah,
oil? Is that a
yeah.
high?
That's, I think, on the lower.
So like a vegetable oil?
Vegetable oil, canola oil.
We're gonna double check that. Hand washing, just don't take a hot pan and put it into water immediately. And just to use non-abrasive sponges. And then, you know, we already talked about the forever chemicals not being in here, so that's on the packaging. I'll let you do the knife.
Did you look at the knife too?
No, I did not look at the knife.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay, so this is both our reactions.
So I don't know. I think they have a few options in the handle. I don't know which one we got. It's a box within a box.
Box in a box.
Ooh, hold on a second. This is fun. That's cool.
Yes.
I like how that looks.
Similar to our pans,
do you
we've had our knives the same amount of years, but knives last.
Yes. Oh yeah, knives, I would imagine last us. I mean, we sharpen them once a year, right before Thanksgiving.
We use probably like one or two of the knives in there. So like having this one knife is all you really need. Okay, this part I'm struggling to get out of the.
Oh,
There we go. You just break it, I guess.
well, it's packed really nicely,
Look
actually.
at the cover, like everything about the packaging and quality is telling you like
This is so
high
nice.
quality, sleek.
This was packed really nicely, and this like little sleeve here,
It's like a
this
travel sleeve.
embroidery is so nice.
Yeah.
Ooh, this handle feels good too.
Right.
Like
Okay, now he's doing
it was on the website. Like
at what level?
because it's a solid. The blade actually comes all the way to the end, and it makes it a well balanced knife.
Whoa. I'm not going to touch the end of that. Then it also has this protective tip. Drop
This is
it or
so
anything
nice.
like that. It's like
Yeah.
one of those knives you're going to have forever.
It
Obviously,
looks
you have to probably re-sharpen it and stuff.
and feels
Yeah.
quality.
Yes.
That's really nice. So I think now we can walk through the specs of the knife. I'm bouncing.
I'm like, oh, careful, dude.
This is their 8-inch knife. This is meant to be like a true workhorse knife. Like you were saying, you want one knife to do everything. From chopping to slicing to carving, does everything. This is a full tang, T-A-N-G, a full tang design, which means the steel runs all the way through to the end of the handle. So it feels balanced and solid in your hand when you are chopping.
I remember like back in the day when we had our first apartment and we had this knife that just had a handle, the knife went in it, and it totally detached from the handle, which you don't want.
Exactly. The handle is this matte, kind of like cream finish. It's supposed to be stain resistant, which is great because you're going to be using it all the time in the kitchen around a lot of different food. The handle also has like a bit of a grip, like feel that. That's a nice...
Yeah, it doesn't feel like it's going to slip out of your
Right.
hand.
So for the size of the knife, this is the 8-inch blade. And so from tip to tip, tip to end, it's about 13.5 inches. And for the knives, they do recommend hand washing only. I don't think I've ever put in
No.
our kitchen knives in the dishwasher anyways, but for those of you at home, hand wash only.
Yes.
So do you want to try these out?
Yeah.
I think we can make egg and
Eggs.
cheese. And then we can, I don't know, chop an onion or something.
Yes.
We'll find something to do.
Yes. But I'm sure we'll be putting this to use a lot.
Let's go ahead to the kitchen, let's make some eggs, and chop up whatever we have. And then we'll test it out for you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna make some eggs with our pan. I'm gonna put this right on the stove, turn that on, get that preheated. Only been a few minutes and that heated up really, really fast. Turkey bacon here. It's like not, look at that, it's not sticking, these eggs. Look at that, pulls right up. Even here too. Oh my gosh, look, it's like, That's crazy. Love it. I love this. Look at that. It's cool all the way until about there. That's where it gets really hot. Now we're gonna wash this pan. Use some warm soapy water. Sponge, we're gonna use this side. Sponge. Like, look at this. This is gorgeous. Honestly, this cleans like a dream.
Okay, we're gonna use our brand new chef knife from Material Kitchen. Oh my God, that like, I felt like I needed to do that, but it went through so nicely.
Oh my God, look at that.
Look at that.
Okay. Oh my God. I kind of was looking for matchstick thin carrots.
This is as thin as you're getting.
But we're gonna keep testing these out for the next couple weeks, and we're gonna check in with you after, I don't know, 2-3 weeks of using this stuff for our full-on review. Until then, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, so you don't miss the next one.
And thanks again to Material Kitchen for sending these over for us to try out. We love them, and we're so excited to continue to use them and share with our community.
And if anyone has used Material Kitchen before, drop a comment, let us know how your experience is going. And until next time, thanks for watching.
Thanks.